Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your October 2021 astrology horoscope. I'm Anisha. For those of you who are new to my channel, I talk everything about astrology and tarot. For those of you who want to know more about my work, you may visit my website tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who require a one-on-one consultation with me, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You'll stay updated with all my new work, and I would be extremely honored if you would do so. Sagittarians, October is all about fun, passion, excitement, and it really seems like a party month, Sagittarians. And I think you're one zodiac which pretty much parties the entire year. But first and foremost, your ruler Jupiter, and that always ensures that it is doing its duty to guide your interests and ensures that you're living a life to the fullest. It's going to be touring your house of communication and it's going to be bringing you expansive luck in this specific area till about December 28. So wonderful time to be advertising, great time for social media campaigns, wonderful time to be publishing your work, great time to be launching a brand. And for a lot of you Sagittarians, especially if you have a sun, moon, rising and even ascendant in Sagittarius, during this time you will find that you could be more curious to know about the world. You really want to explore, expand your mind, learn about different people, ethnicities, cultures, travel, do a long distance travel. And some of you will literally do that mentally. Maybe some of you are going to be enrolling yourself in courses and fine tuning your skills, upskilling yourselves. And some of you could become even highly successful in public speaking. You'll find strangely or suddenly that you're quite sought after as far as maybe seminars are concerned, lectures are concerned, or public speaking is concerned. Many of you are also going to be quite successful in launching your maybe a radio and a media show and even publish important work that is there. Short distance travel is also going to be popping up quite a bit for you this month, and it will bring about some movement to your routine. If any of these areas are of interest to you, especially media and publishing, I would suggest that you start making your plan right now. We do have Saturn as well that is weighing in this specific area. It has been the entire year. It can be that you could be literally be pulling your teeth to get a breakthrough. We also have, however, your ruling planet Jupiter is going to be giving you the push to fly. And we do have Mercury that is retrograde, that went retrograde around the 25th and carries on being so till about the 18th of October. So hold your horses, Sagittarius. And we also have Mars that is really going to be igniting a social sector till about 30th. So it's going to be, you're going to be a busy bee. You're going to be partying, you're going to be traveling, you're going to be networking with people. Basically, you're going to be doing all Sagittarian things and you're going to be quite happy doing this. This is also a great time. We have, we have a new moon that is there on the 6th, that is there in Libra. And this is again going to be giving you a shot of adrenaline around this time as far as your work is concerned. However, do remember that we have the poor old Mercury which is retrograde. So some amount of confusion around your goals, around your aspirations, around your social network could be there. Maybe you're not getting clear signals. Maybe you do not know whether you need to be proceeding or you need to be checking. It's always worth your while, Sagittarians, with a retrograde to go back and revisit conversation, go back and revisit contracts. Venus also enters your zodiac mid-month and it stays there till about rest of the month, and Venus is going to be feeling is going to be showering her blessings and her grace and her charm and money onto you. And it really speaks about a time where a lot of you are going to be maybe going in for a completely new look. Maybe you'll do a complete wardrobe change. A lot of you will maybe completely, change your hairstyle and do something really, really different. And love is also going to be feeling quite magical during this time. We have the final lunation of the month. That's a full moon that is there on the 20th, and it's there in your house of passion. And it can be that your heart could literally blossom, and it could explode like a firecracker during this time, and it could make romance, expression, and creativity sort of the top priority this entire month. And couples who are looking at conceiving, this is a fabulous time for that. And if you're single, don't miss this opportunity to be dating if there's been someone potential. And if you're happily partnered, use this time to do something extra special together. Mars is going to be shifting towards end of the month in your house of behind the scenes, and it stays there till about December 13th. So it can be that during between end October and December mid, you could be busy with a research paper, maybe a project that you're working on that you're not as yet ready to share. Maybe you could be just be wanting to work behind the scenes, and you do not want to be in the public eye. And it could also be a time where your energy levels could be quite low, and this is towards end of the month. So great time end of the month to be checking yourself in a nature retreat, to being with the nature, and just taking time to meditate and take care of yourself, and a lot of focus on self-care and gratitude, Sagittarians. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Sagittarians. Have a fabulous October. I'll see you soon, and thank you so much for watching.